My first thought when I found out I was going to Stakeout was, I'm not the best playboater. I'm not the best freestyle kayaker. What am I gonna do up there? Is anybody even really gonna want me up there? What I expected was the ultimate freestyle kayaking expedition, camping in the cold, waiting on waves to come in, and then surfing a lot of really, really big waves. What I found were friends, new friends, old friends.
This is the good stuff. This is Stakeout.
Just being able to spend time in beautiful places with great people waiting on a wave to come in. And really getting the opportunity to devote part of my time to freestyle kayaking again. Can't even describe how much it meant to me. It was fun for me to be surrounded by a group of younger people that are much better at freestyle kayaking than I am and that I've ever been. And to be able to learn from them and hang out, and it was just such a warm welcome and great community to be a part of. Rito Falls was kind of a funny moment because we were stuck in rush hour traffic. You're supposed to be really low key, and it's by the Prime Minister's house. You park at the French Embassy. It was a very urban moment in the middle of rush hour traffic. I know. How are you guys? And there was no being low key. So we just went for it. As you go further north, the roads get smaller and smaller and tighter. People speak less and less English and more French. Some mornings you'd wake up and nothing was really happening. Other mornings, we might be driving a long distance and driving a long ways into the wilderness to try to see if another wave was in. It's probably true that it's mostly not kayaking, that waiting on things to come in. It's called Stakeout for a reason. In those moments where the waves were in, it was on. Some mornings would just get up and feel like a lap, and big water joy laps were the thing. I may not be the best freestyle kayaker, but being able to really push myself in that way again, it meant more to me than I can describe. It is incredible because I can't wait to do Stakeout again.